my name is Rob. I live in Newport in South Wales. And I've been using the Say Something in Welsh app to learn Welsh for about 4 months now. And I've got to say that it's been absolutely brilliant. I can't really believe how quickly I've picked stuff up. It's just been unbelievable. I learned Welsh at school. I was brought up in the Vale of Glamorgan, which is obviously like a very heavily English speaking area. But I did Welsh at GCSE, and I've learned more in the last 4 months than I did in 4-5 years of learning Welsh at school. So that tells you, just how effective the course is. Dwi wedi bod yn dysgu Cymraeg 3 mis nawr, a dwi'n trio ymarfer bob dydd. Mae eisiau fi wella, a dwi'n mwyn siarad Cymraeg yn dda iawn. Felly mae rhaid i fi ymarfer mwy a siarad mwy, a gobeithio dwi'n mynd i wella.